In this video, let me show you how to set up vacation responder inside of Outlook. If you want to add in automatic replies when you are not at work or when you are in some vacation, the thing that you need to do is head over to the settings inside of Outlook and then make sure you're inside of account. Inside of account, you second option, which is automatic replies. It says right here, use automatic replies to let others know that you're on a vacation or aren't available to respond to your email. So just turn on this option and then you can add in your message right here. Once you add in your message, you can customize it however you want. You can change colors, add attachments and other stuff. Now the way that you set the date is just select the option right here, which is send replies during a time period, and this lets you select the date and the time of the automatic replies. So select the exact date you're gonna be out of work or you'll not be able to respond to your emails. You can also select the time and you can also select the end time as well. There are a few other options that you can select. Make sure you take a look at this. If you want only your contacts to have this automatic reply, you can check this option. If not, leave it unchecked and then you can click on save. This way your automatic replies now have been turned on and any emails that you receive will get a automatic reply. If this guide video did help you out, be sure to subscribe and also make sure to give this video a thumbs up. I'm going to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.